The Pomodoro Technique says work for 25 minutes, break for 5. It was invented in the 1980s by a college student with a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. Modern research says that interval is wrong for most types of knowledge work. Here's the updated version. Neuroscience research from the University of Illinois shows it takes an average of 23 minutes to reach a state of deep focus. The classic 25-minute Pomodoro gives you exactly 2 minutes of real deep work before the timer rings. You're interrupting yourself at the worst possible moment, right when your brain finally locked in. The original Pomodoro was designed for studying, short memorization tasks, flashcards, textbook reading. It was never designed for writing, coding, designing, or strategic thinking. These tasks require a cognitive warm-up period. Breaking focus every 25 minutes means you never get past the warm-up. You're doing 25 minutes of shallow work and calling it productive. The updated interval: 50 minutes of work, 10 minutes of rest. This aligns with ultradian rhythms, your brain's natural 90-minute performance cycles. A 50-minute block gives you 27 minutes of deep focus after the warm-up. That's 13 times more deep work than a classic Pomodoro. After 10 minutes of genuine rest, you start another cycle refreshed instead of drained. If you do creative work, writing, composing, designing, the ideal block is 90 minutes with a 20-minute break. Research from Florida State University found that elite performers across fields work in sessions of roughly 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, cognitive performance drops regardless of willpower. One 90-minute block produces more creative output than 3 25-minute Pomodoros. Here's the system. Use 25-minute intervals only for admin tasks: email, data entry, invoicing. Use 50-minute intervals for analytical work: spreadsheets, planning, research. Use 90-minute intervals for creative and deep work: writing, coding, design. The timer should match the cognitive demand of the task. One size never fits all. Most people skip the break, which defeats the entire system. During your break, do not check your phone or social media. That's not rest, that's stimulation. Stand up, walk, look out a window, drink water. Your brain consolidates what it just processed during genuine downtime. A real break makes the next work block 20% more productive. Skip it, and your third block is basically garbage. The classic Pomodoro apps lock you into 25-minute cycles. Use an app that supports custom intervals: Focus Keeper, Session, or even a simple phone timer. Set up 3 presets: 25, 50, and 90 minutes. Before each work block, glance at your task, choose the matching interval, and start. No overthinking required. 25 minutes for admin, 50 for analysis, 90 for creative work. That's Pomodoro 2.0. I linked my interval cheat sheet and recommended timer apps in the description. Subscribe for productivity methods updated by actual science.